Ah yes, today is a good day for tech news, isn't that sir? Prepare up. Hello everyone and welcome to Newston. I'm your host Harris and today we got some nice news. Let's get started. Lots of Samsung leaks, get your umbrella! Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 allegedly had their design leak in official renders. The latest set of leaks from 91 mobiles have just fully revealed Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch 4. These renders are allegedly official ones from Samsung. The back of the watch body shows text that the Watch 4 will come in 40 and 44mm sizes. In addition, 5 ATM water resistant, MIL STD810G compliance, GPS and Gorilla Glass D Express protection are also prominently featured here. The design of the Watch 4 appears to be a departure from the Watch 3. The renders show multiple band colors including white, green, black, red, and yellow, with a silver, black, or mystic bronze watch body. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 has also been leaked, and images reveal design and color option. The Galaxy Buds 2 will look similar to the Galaxy Buds Pro, and come in at least 4 colors: black, purple, green, and white. The inside of the charging case will match Buds 2 colors, while the outer surface will be painted white, and it has 2 LEDs. The Buds 2 earphone will be tuned by AKG, and comes with rubber tips for passive noise cancellation, also with mics outside. So let's see in August for the launch. AMD is quietly launching Recycled Xbox Series X LPU as 4700S desktop kit. Why is this legal? AMD has silently launched the AMD 4700S 8-core processor desktop kit. This chip consists of an Xbox Series X CPU that suffered from defects during the manufacturing process, making it unsuitable for use in the Xbox. Ah, makes sense. AMD listed the processor as the AMD 4700S with 8 Zen 2 cores. There are no signs of any Ryzen branding, but the chip is an 8-core, 16-thread APU with a disabled or defective iGPU. It has 3.6 GHz base clock and 4 GHz boost clock. AMD offers the 4700S desktop kit with either 8 or 16 GB of DDR6 memory. The AMD 4700S lacks display output, so you gotta have a card in there. The AMD 4700 is compatible with RX 500 series and GTX 10 series. Just a reminder that it has only SATA 3 ports for storage, and I should have good amounts of USB ports. AMD recommends a 250 watt power supply as the minimum, but suggests you fit the motherboard with a 300 watt unit. Good thing it uses normal ATX PSU though. Oh yeah, that's no price yet. Tergame's finding as group video calls and animated backgrounds. Yeah, boy! Tergame has just announced a couple of significant updates to its messaging client across different platforms. The first one is a pretty significant upgrade to video calling, and the other is to the UI and design. Telegram now get group video call support finally. While there are no limits to the number of group voice call participants on Telegram, group video calls are currently limited to 30 people. In addition to just sharing your camera feed, you can also share your screen with others on the video call. Telegram has also added an updated background noise suppression feature to voice chat, but you can turn it off if you don't want. Aside from video call features, Telegram is also adding several changes to the UI. There is now support for animated backgrounds, which is the first for messaging app. You can choose your own colors and patterns to the setting. Telegram says these are fairly light on resources, so have fun on customizing, boys! Hey, I think I accidentally opened the portal to speed run. Volkswagen plans to stop selling combustion engine vehicles in Europe by 2033. Woohoo! A board member told German newspaper via Reuters about this info. Klauselm, a Volkswagen board member for sales, told the newspaper that the company would exit the business with internal combustion engine cars in Europe between 2033 and 2035. But he added it would take longer to stop selling combustion engines in the US and China. Zelmer said the automaker's entire fleet will be carbon neutral by 2050. At the latest, he wants to see electric vehicles to account for 70% of the company's total sales in Europe by 2030. Tesla recaps more than 285,000 vehicles in China over cruise control safety concerns. The Wall Street Journal reported that Tesla is recalling more than 285,000 vehicles in China, most of which were made locally, over a safety risk with the vehicle cruise control. China's State Administration for Market Regulation said that the recall includes 250,000 Model 3 and Model Y vehicles that were made in Tesla Gigafactory in Shanghai, and 35,000 Model 3 vehicles which were imported. According to the regulator, the vehicle's cruise control system could be activated by accident, causing them to speed up unexpectedly. Of course, Tesla didn't respond yet. Elon's busy, man! Speaking of the last video, Vivo trademarks names for rollable, slidable, and foldable next phone. The latest evidence of Vivo foldable smartphones come from the Chinese trademark office. On May 24, Vivo has trademarked not only one but 3 next devices: next slide, next fold, and next roll. Their names are pretty self-explanatory, but the new bit is that the new form factor handsets will exist under the next branding, which is their experimental lineup. Samsung must be shaking now. The Huawei Nova AI appears in official looking render. Huawei just confirmed a couple days ago that the brand new Nova AI smartphone is headed towards Southeast Asia. Hey, that's me! An official looking render appeared online, courtesy of Playful Droid, showing part of the back design. And as expected, the phone adopts a Mate 30 Pro-like look, with a circular camera module carrying 4 shooters and an LED flash positioned next to it. The power buttons also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The front design remains unknown, but Playful Droid said in the previous report that it would adopt a punch hole cutout for the front-facing camera. Other than that, there's no more info info, so let's wait. Hey, good news! Instagram is now testing publishing posts on desktop. Instagram has started testing creating and publishing posts on desktop. The feature was spotted by social media consultant Matt Novara, who shared screenshot on Twitter. Some users should be getting a plus icon, but it will work only for posts for now, with stories and reels not yet supported. The UI should look like the mobile counterpart, so let's hope it will be public soon. Oh yeah, sorry sir, but the tech news season is over. So come back on Friday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, peace out dudes!